Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I have a mic, so hopefully the sound will be better. But anyway, today I am back with ATEEZ, or should I say ATEEZ is back, with I'm the One official MV. To say that I'm not ready will be an understatement because I've seen the teaser, the trailer, and yeah, I am not ready for this. So let's just go ahead, dive right into it. 18s, I hope you're ready. I'm not. And we'll just, yeah. Also, yeah, it's weird having a mic now. It's weird. But if I put it here, you won't hear me. I feel like I'm about to buzz a song or something. But anyway, I kind of look like a professional, like giving comments. So you know what? Let's just go ahead and do this. Here we go. And actually, I can just do this whenever I need to comment on something. Yeah. No, no. I feel like I need to say something about ATEEZ. I've been listening to them for almost 2 years. Um, I really got into them maybe last year, so I was just listening to the songs. I didn't know the members. I didn't know anything about the group. I just enjoyed their music. But ever since I got into them, I still don't have a clear bias, which is weird because it usually doesn't take me too long to figure out a bias. But with ATs, I don't know what it is. But you saying just now, he said hello. Songwell looks amazing. Okay, I'm sorry. I just needed to take a few seconds. I'll try not to pause as much. San. Mingy. Center Yunho. Ooh, that was a nice transition. Oh, this is a freaking bop. I love ATs. Look at the flags. He's so pretty. Everyone looks great. Just saying. Yes. Yes. Okay then. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sure. Okay. Is it you? Are you gonna be the one? Let's just keep going. Hongjoong. That was cute though. Oh, for real. Ah. Whoa. Wow, he looks great. Oh my god, that scene though. It's giving me oh my god, what was it called? The Maze Runner series? The second one. It looks like that world, when everything has gone like has gone up in flames because of the sun brining, shining too bright. I mixed up shine and bright. Great. English, I do not know it. But you know what I mean? What was it called? I know it. I love this series. I love the Maze Runner, and it's the second one. If you know it, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. The Scorch Trials. There it is. The Scorch Trials. Jeez. It kind of reminds me of that. Okay. Oh, I can't withstand. Did y'all see Yo saying? Are you seeing this man? Oh my god, he looks incredible. Hold on, hold on. Look at them. They chose violence on this fine day. That's all I'm saying. They chose violence. What a freaking bop. Honestly, I love it. I listened to the album and skipped that one on purpose. And I think it's my favorite one on the album. It actually might be my favorite. Um, but yeah. Jeez, they are angry. And I love it. Oh, what does it mean? I'm very confused with their storyline, just saying I have no idea what's going on. But was it like a nod to Hala Hala? I feel like there was a lot of theme from their previous MVs, obviously, because it follows a storyline, so it makes sense. They are very consistent with the flags, but anyway, the world is on fire, and they were basically saying, you know what, we'll just let it burn. Like, okay then. Just, okay, let it burn, I guess. But that was awesome. I cannot wait to see a live performance, especially if they're wearing those outfits. Because the thing with ATEEZ is that as much as I love their MVs on stage, they kill it. They're the performance kings. They're just always so good on stage. So I cannot wait to see that live. I know they're gonna. I loved hearing Mingy's voice. I love that he still had, even if he's on a hiatus, and I do hope he's taking care of himself and feeling better. That he still worked on this album. I think it was before he went on hiatus. But that was really cute the way they played that radio and you could hear Mingy's voice. It's like they're not forgetting him. They just really want to make sure that he's included, even if he cannot physically be there. And I love that because it's eight or nothing. It's eight makes one team. That's the whole ATEEZ thing. So yeah. Um, but yeah, I really loved that song, and they all looked incredible. I feel like I still have my little trio. So Yoonho, San, and Yosang. And I feel like Yosang is climbing up the bias list, which will be good to finally have things settle down. Because this group, it's like they just attack you, like all of them. Hongjung always looks amazing. I don't know what it is about him, but he does. Like he always looks incredible. Um, Songhwa, holy shit, he I love when he gets like, because I know how soft he actually is, how cute he is. It's so funny to see him like this, and it works. He looks really intimidating when he's like one of the softest boys ever. So I love that. They all are actually. It's really, but yeah, who sounded great? Who Young sounded who who Young sounded great. I really love his voice. Like he's got such a soft tone, really light, and I love it. Jungho, as usual. First of all, he looked amazing. Like he looked really, really good. The whole like that old red outfit and red hair, that was great. And his vocals are always the best. So it's just yeah, that's just how it is. But anyway, I loved it. I do hope you enjoyed. I hope it wasn't too weird having me with the mic. I do feel weird um having to hold it. I'll try to find another setup. But yeah, it's not the best quality mic, I'm not like crazy rich, so I can't really afford to have very fancy equipment, so I do my best. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I know I did, and I'm probably gonna watch this again and listen to it again because I feel like, yeah, it is my favorite song on the album. I need to listen to it again though, but yeah, it's yep. Anyway, um, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and please subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.